I'm Dr. Deepika Chopra. I'm an optimism doctor, and I'm so excited that my dear friend Suzanne, who is the editor of Chalkboard magazine, turned me on to and introduced me to this beautiful, high-performance, clean Ayurvedic skincare brand called Sahajan. And I'm going to take you through a short ritual using some of their products. And I've already started my ritual by using the Sahajan Essential Cleansing Oil. So I've already cleansed my face. The next step that I'm going to do in my ritual right now is using their Ayurvedic Blend Balancing Toner. The reason that I love their products so much is that they are rooted in science and also in the tradition of Ayurvedic medicine. So I'm gonna use the Brightening Mask right now, which has turmeric and hemp seed oil and also AHAs. So what's really cool about this actually is, I'll show you. It's got turmeric in it and quite a bit, but it's not messy. And usually when I make my own mask at home, I use things like yogurt and turmeric root. Okay, I just rinsed the mask off. I don't know if you guys can see, but I definitely feel that my face is brighter and it's sort of tingling in a nice way. I'm gonna finish it off with their Nourish cream. I always smell every product. It smells really nice. Just press it in. Thank you to Chalkboard for turning me on to Sahajan, this beautiful Ayurvedic brand that I'm sure you guys are all going to be hearing a lot more of.